Abasokwa abangamashumi amathathu nanhlanu bamukelwe ngenkulu imfudumalo nokuwumbungazo abaningi abangakhoni ukuwenza. Lomcimbi unike bonke ithuba elilinganayo lokugubha lolusuku.
Andiyazi noba ngesendibhubhile mntasekhaya. Ngesendifile ngoba nangoku istress sam sinyuswe kuba lo mntana ethathwe ngugama sase sawes ukubonisa into ba uba bengathathwanga ibithetha ukuthi ngoku noba ngumngcwabo wami okanye ndingcwatywe kwakule veki pheleyo.
Kunemali eziinkulungwane ezingamakhulu zamarandi ephuma emkhandlweni Nelson Mandela Bay.
We want to bring back that culture that says a child is raised by a community. So that when these kids, they see us, they see their parents. When they see us, they don't see animals to kill, but their parents. So basically, this is what we have started now, and we want this to go on.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uhlabe kumxhwele ngalomcimbi.
This is quite exciting. So to come together like this is a district development model at its best. These things that's a thing that we should be doing, and it takes us back in terms of our culture and the origin of the culture that always community would be doing something like this, coming together.
Undunankulu wesifundazwe Oscar Mabuyane uzwakalisa ungenami ngokunganakwa kwabanye imindeni yabo njengoba ethi badinga ukuxhaswa ngaso sonke isikhathi.